The LG G9 ThinQ, a completely unique design for a full view display with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup and more. (64-megapixel quad camera, 64 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel telephoto, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens. 32 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera. (6.3 inches OLED capacitive touchscreen, 1440 by 3040 pixels, Corning Gorilla Glass 6, HDR10 and 120Hz touch sensing. IP68 dust and waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Lithium-ion 5000 mAh battery with fast charging at 65 watts. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 2020 version and Adreno 640. 6, 8 and 12 GB RAM, 64 GB to 256 GB storage option.